Let's go.
Hey guys, Bushcrafty back here again, and I am installing a brand new device here that I got off of Temu. You can see right here. The first thing we need to do is get this part mounted on our track right here. To do so, you just put it sideways in there and run it down, and then tighten it where you want it. I'm putting it right there. Then all I have to do, I'll keep this in the storage and whatnot when I'm going somewhere, and when it's time to use it, you just pop it in place, put it where you want it, adjust it how you want it, right here, up here, wherever the case may be. Went ahead and mounted it there, but this is where my fish finder will be. As of right now, I may move it back over here, I don't know. But let me get over on the other side. That's one of the upgrades that I have gotten for the kayak. Now, there's talk about, I think it's I forget what it is. The little thing, you put it in the water. Somebody will tell me. Anyways, my thought of that was, since it's the mount for it was already broken when I got it. If you look down here, these kayaks come with these plugs right here. I'm going to pop that up, and I think that's where I'm going to install the little fish finder thingy that goes in the water here, and then put the wires. As you can see, it has a spot right there already for the wire. Bring the wire up here and feed it into where the battery box is. I got some work to do on that for a temporary battery, but that's one part of the upgrades to the boat. Another update that I did get is this doohickey here. So let me get this on here a little bit, and we will install that in here just like so, just like before. You just tighten it down wherever you want it, and I probably will not use this in this fashion. I might at first, but this is to hook my camera up to, either my cell phone or my GoPro, which probably at first I will use this until I figure out another way to make a pole that goes to the back of my boat to where I can have it up in the air a bit. So that way you get the whole view of the kayak and everything. But it fits right into the track here. Another Temu add-on, and it's fully adjustable, all different locations. I might just grab another one just for this purpose, just to have one up front. And what I'm thinking of, the extra track that did come with this, I'm thinking about installing it right up here. So, but right now, this is what we got right here. And it has a little thing up here to where I can put my GoPro attachment or a cell phone up here on the top. There, hopefully you guys can see that. But that is the second of the add-ons I got for the boat. And here is my third add-on that I've added to my kayak. This is a run-of-the-mill backpack. I got this here at Aldi's of all places. It has all kinds of good stuff in it. Not really, but it has some dry bags in here. I'll keep my horn, like a poncho, some other stuff in here. It has some, at the very bottom, it does have emergency flags, so that'll be good for, you know, if I need to flag somebody down or whatnot. But I'll keep all my fast, easy grab stuff here. And I'll probably mount this underneath here somehow to where it's not going to be irritating my back and whatnot. But to keep that on the back of my seat, just like that. Don't really have to take it off or anything. There's all kinds of space in here that I can put multiple things. But that is inexpensive add-on that will give me more space to put in my boat. And real easy to use the straps that go around you. I'll probably feed them underneath this to where it's not going to irritate my back and whatnot, and hook it up down here to where it's less of a hassle. That way I don't have to take it off every time whenever I'm traveling or whatnot. As long as it's secured really good, don't have anything to worry about. It was $7, so you can't beat that. $7 for a backpack. Got it at Aldi's, and that is my third add-on. And my fourth and final add-on that I have gotten for the kayak this week, and I'm sure there's going to be many, many more, and eventually I'll do my setup and all that stuff. But as you can see, I ended up getting two of these, but I'm just going to put one of them up here for right now. I may put the other one in here like so, and set it next to it to where these will be tied, that I can rig it for my anchor to where it can be easily tied to, like so. That way if I need to pull it up real quick to get it out. And since I don't have an anchor, I'm going to use a window weight. This is about 6-7 pounds, I'm not sure. I want to get a I don't know, a hook or something, not a hook, but I don't know, like a carrying pin, but one that you use a screw on. That way it'll be more mobile and I can tie to it a lot easier. And then it'll just sit here alongside my seat here. As you can see, I got my rope, will be right here in the same location. When I need to drop the anchor, just drop it, tie it to these little screw eye hole things right here, and we're good to go. If you have any ideas, things that I should get, I do have all the materials now to build my crate in the back. Everybody and their brother builds these kayak crates, because they're very expensive. If you have to go purchase one, they're well over $100 to $500 for these things. So I'm going to build my own and I'll probably build it a bit different than everybody else does. That being said, make sure you're subscribed so you can pick up on any other videos that I have coming out. But other than that, with the upgrades that I put on here, we should be about ready to go out and give this boat a whirl. So we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.